So, sanding band on this, or what?
Sanding band?
Not sanding band. I need the safety bit.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so this nail has been sculpted. It's ready for bulk filing and shaping.
Yep.
This is kind of the way to tell if it's ready, right?
Tap, tap, thud, thud. Tap,
And
tap,
tap, thud,
means it's dry. Thud, thud means it's still semi-wet.
Okay. So now bulk filing. I'm gonna start with my E file. I'm gonna do the overgrip also.
Absolutely.
Right? 14,000 RPMs.
Yep.
Safety bit.
Safety bit.
And I'm gonna start around the cuticle. I'm gonna peel back.
Watch your gloves.
Watch my
I
gloves.
sucked mini gloves into the electric
Oh,
file.
have you?
Yeah.
And I'm just focused on making contact.
Yep, this is a nice bit. It's not full. That's crazy, right? I mean, you're barely touching. And you can see it coming off.
Yep. Do I want to come through now all the way, or?
So I like to, at this point, kind of do my upper arch. So I'm going to hold that bit just the way you are, and I kind of just walk through and create my upper arch.
This?
Yeah. Yep. So you're going to have the front in contact with the cuticle.
Right. Okay.
And then center to center.
Center to center.
And then the back end of the bit to the tip of the nail. So you're using that whole bit. Now, we look at it sideways, right? Because that's really going to show where you need to file. Sometimes we don't need to keep coming back to the cuticle. That's a kind of a mistake some people do. Like, oh, I need to file some more here, and they'll start again at the cuticle and go through. If you need more filing here, just go there.
Okay.
This is looking pretty good, though.
Yeah, looks like there's an upper arch.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Okay.
So now I like to come through my sides.
Okay.
And kind of bring any extra up.
Like that?
I
Or?
go like.
Oh.
Yeah. You don't have to do it a ton because you're gonna
Yeah.
use your hand file, but it kind of takes off.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now I like to follow through, and that's going. Yep.
Down this way.
And again, the tip is kind of connected to your left side. As you move through the center, you're going to connect with the middle of the bit to the back of the bit. I like you're looking down that barrel of that nail, which is going to give you the best view possible. You're going to see exactly where you need to shape down.
Oh, I see.
Right?
Oh, yeah. Just a little bit. There's not a whole lot.
Now, if you want it shorter, you can also come
Like
and
that.
shorten it.
I like this length.
Perfect. That's fine.
Okay. So you want to take a look at it and see?
Looks good. Looks really good. Yeah. Yeah. I think now it's just refinement.
Okay, so
Refinements with the hand file.
hand file. That was actually very
Minimal.
very minimal. Yeah, very minimal. Okay, so now refinement. Where am I starting here?
I like to start with my sides.
Okay.
It's the file season.
So
It's the file season.
sorry. Thank you for that.
Yep.
Season that file.
It probably already is. I used it the other
It's a
day.
good
but
habit,
just,
though.
Yeah.
It's a good
always
habit.
a good habit. Yeah.
So here,
Yep.
and I'm gonna.
So you're gonna start with the tip of that free edge, right? See how it's extended? It hangs
Yeah, it
down.
comes down.
And you're gonna keep filing straight up and down until it comes straight with that sidewall.
Ooh, very satisfying.
Isn't it?
Yes.
And same thing.
Here.
Yep. So start with the furthest point out and then bring everything in. Yep.
Yeah, I see.
The reason we want to do it that way, right, is a lot of people will tuck into the cuticle right away and then start trying to file that up, and you're filing that
Notch.
notch. You're filing a notch and you're filing a weak spot.
Got it.
So we want to bring everything to it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now let's do our sides, straight up and down.
And the side.
Now that you've done that, I just want you to double check. So see the sides, you're hanging down a little bit still.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Especially on this side.
Mm-hmm.
On this side. So I got to do here.
Yep.
Wow. Okay. Right? Like right here?
Yep. And I want you to use the file. Like, use it. Full length. Full length. There you go. You seasoned your file, so it doesn't hurt me.
Okay.
Now it's time to blend everything else in.
What about the front?
Like, do the front. You can, yeah, wherever you want to start. I would start at the front because you want to bulk it up a little bit and you want to be able to thin that out when you file over the top.
Just like this?
Mm-hmm.
Just shorten it a little?
Yep. Shape it.
Shape it?
Don't overthink it.
Okay.
Blend in, because we're then going to hold it this way after you're done blending.
Okay.
And we're going to look at your shape.
Okay.
And we're going to look down the barrel.
All right. So just blend now?
Yep, let's
like,
blend. Yep. And we're just turning that finger, looking at it from every point of view to see if there's any areas that need to come in. There you go.
Can I do like
Absolutely.
that? Feels more comfortable to me. I can see a little bit like where I kind of missed a little bit on your nail right here, like from when I applied, right?
Honestly, it's not at the stress area, Habib, and you're gonna run finish down there. It's not something I would stress. I probably on camera it might look like the Grand Canyon, but for me it's minimal. Sometimes the dust can be very deceiving.
Mm.
So what we want to do now is let's look at it from all point of views.
Okay. So down this way. Looks like it's still a little like
Little white?
bulbous. Yeah.
Okay.
No?
So,
Or what do you
yeah.
think?
No, I see what you're saying, especially on this side.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So what do?
I need to take it down.
Yep. And you can
On this side?
Yep. That's what I see.
See?
So either you can do it that way or you can flip it back over if it's easier to file that way.
Just a little bit here.
That point of view is so huge.
Yeah.
It changes the look of everything.
Looks pretty straight though.
Yep. So now let's look at the shape.
Oh yeah. Just even, you mean like the tip or?
Just even it out a little bit.
Yeah. Oops. I just rounded it off a little.
That's okay. Just make it around the other side. It's now a swivel.
Yeah, it's good. I can just shorten it.
Now we want to look at this because you shortened it again a little bit. We just want to make sure that it's blended in well and it's not too thick at the tip.
Yeah, it's a little thick.
So just blend it through there, right there. Yeah. So anytime we kind of file the shape of the top and refine, we want to double check this point of view.
Yeah, I got you. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Not bad, right?
Yeah.
For a beginner,
Yep.
right?
Yeah.
Should I
Yep. Cleanse it.
cleanse it? See what it looks like? Not bad, right?
Not bad at all.
I mean, you know, there's.
Okay, you're obsessing about that.
I know. I'm just saying, like.
So I want to show you. Let's
Okay.
just finish it.
Okay, protein bond and top
Protein
coat.
bond and the top coat.
Okay. I will say, the filing is there's some satisfaction in filing and shaping. Yeah, there is.
Filing's my favorite part.
Yeah, it's not as bad now that I have like a little bit of an idea of like what to do.
Mm-hmm.
It's satisfying to see it like kind of come into shape.
Yeah. So, what I want you to do, so take a look at the spot you're obsessing about.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's not as the finish kind of filled in a little bit, right?
Right. So I don't over stress the cuticle area because we're gonna put finish gel back there.
Yeah.
Good job.
Subscribe to the channel now. Subscribe channel now. Subscribe